What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how we can apply a numeric range slicer in Power BI. So first of all, the data set that we are going to use is a sample data set already provided by Power BI, which is a financials data. So let's see how we can apply a numeric range slicer in Power BI. So first of all, you just have to go to the visualization plane, double click onto the slicer, and you can see a slicer will apply onto your task window. Okay, then you just have to pick up a numeric value. For example, let's say for now I want to see the gross sales over here. So I'm dragging and dropping the gross sales value into my slicer, and the gross sales numbers, numeric values, are taking place over here. See, so I'm going to make some basic visualizations over here. So let's say I would like to see the profit according to the product, and I'm going to drag and drop the product onto the profit, and you can see a default graph is taking place. After that, I'm going to select some visualization. So let's say pie chart. So I have selected a pie chart over here, and you can see the pie chart is appearing for our particular visualization. After that, I'm going to make another visualization. So let's say profit, not profit, so let's say units sold according to the product. So for this I'm going to make it as a tree map, and you can see the visualization is taking place. So if you want to make some changes into it, so let's say I would like to see some values which is greater than particular values. So if I make a change over here, the changes are taking place into my graph. So this is like a date slicer only, just the values are the numeric values, and you can also find a formatting over here, like in which format you want to showcase your numeric slicer. So let's say list is also available over here, but there are various values available in our data, so that's why this list format is also not feasible. And the same thing is with the drop down, like we are having a numerous values, various values are there, so this drop down is also not very feasible for us. So you can have a less than or a greater than over here. So let's say I would like to see the values greater than 50,000 or 3 lakh. Okay, so the values which are greater than 3 lakh, gross sales which are greater than 3 lakh. So you can see the changes are taking place onto our graph. If I hover my mouse, so you can see the values which are particularly greater than the slicer which we have selected. If I go to the this graph as well, you can see the values. So if I go to this graph as well, you can see the values. Okay, so this is the way that we can apply a numeric slicer in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.